Okay, here we go. Here's a straight up answer key, all right? There's what I got for these, A through F, F being no solution, so surprise. All right, let's work them out. Now, I'm going to do these sort of in the vein of what people probably did them in, but if we go back into it, like we can see there's some things that are some shortcuts. So if I was doing this efficiently, I would look at the y's here and I would just multiply the second equation by 2. But most of us did this by taking the first equation, multiplying it by 5, and the second equation, multiplying it by -3. There's nothing wrong with that. So let's just rewrite this as 15x minus 20y equals 11. Then my other equation becomes negative 15x minus 6y equals negative 159. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 50 is 150. Yeah, that's right. Okay, then when I put these together, I get negative 20y equals negative 148. 26y here, 20 negatives and 6 negatives. And then let's just get the calculator. For clarity's sake, Miss Benoit, I don't know exactly what that number is, but I'm assuming that I know. I'm assuming that the number is, it's not going to be 4, I don't think. Let's look. Here, hold on. Am I going to start this over? So we're dividing by negative 26, and we're dividing by negative 26, and we get y equals, clear, negative 148 divided by negative 26. Oh my gosh, what have I done, Miss Benoit? I've done something wrong.
Who made this problem?
I made the problem, Miss Benoit. Oh, I know what I did. Oh, classic mistake on the first one. This should not be 11, should it?
What?
Or this should not be 11 here. This should be 55. Yeah, because 5 times 11, I got to remember to do that. Now that changes this number for me. Clear. I got negative 159 plus 55 gives, oh, there we go. So let's change this to negative 104. Now we're dividing by that negative 104. Stop laughing, Miss Benoit. That's so not nice. Oh, look at that. A nice, neat 4. Jeez Louise. All right, I'm going to take the second equation because the second equation has, well, let's see what mistake I make in this one. 2y equals 53. I chose the second equation here because then all the numbers are positive, and we've already shown that I make mistakes. So this 4 goes right here. 5x plus 2 times 4 equals 53. 5x plus 8 equals 53 minus 8 minus 8. 5x equals 45, divide by 5, divide by 5. And we get x equals 9, which means my order pair here is 9, 4. Here we go with the adventure of number 2. Number 2, I probably would have focused, if I'm working efficiently, I'm going to focus on this one right here, because I can change that first equation by multiplying it by 2. And will give me negative 14x. So negative 14x, now I've created my 0 pair right there. 2 times 2 is 4y. 2 times negative 7. Haha, you didn't get me this time. Now I'm combining. My 14x's eliminate each other, leaving me 7y equals 60 minus 10 is 53. 53 minus 4 is 49. Divide by 7, divide by 7. I get y equals 3. Let's grab an equation and do this. 3? Oh no! It's 7. I know, I'm a step ahead of everything because I'm thinking in my head the next step and not focusing. Focus! Plus 3y equals 63. Please send me an email that just says, what? And then I'll help with whatever you need me to help you with. So I'm going to substitute my y. Putting the 7 in for that and get 14x plus 3 times 7. Remember, when you substitute, that variable then goes away. 14, just rewriting here with the multiplication completed is 63. I'm going to take away 21 from both sides. And I got to be on my guard here so that Miss Benoit does not see more mistakes. Classic math problem where you have a 14z's and there are 3 14s and 42, which means my ordered pair is 3, 7. Let's go to C and see what happens. Most of us are just kind of focusing on this one, so I'm going to focus on X again. Now, I've got a negative already, so I don't need to change that. So I'm just going to make this 5, right? 5 times negative 2 will give me negative 10. And then my other one, I'm going to just make 2. 2 times 5 will give me positive 10. So here's my positive 10, here's my negative 10. So I've got 10x plus 22y equals 90. And I've got negative 10x minus 15y equals negative 55. Whoa, boy. These get eliminated, leaving us 7y equals 35. Divide by 7, y equals 5. So then let's use the first equation. 5x plus 11y equals 45. Put that in for y. 5x plus 11 times 5, parenthesis, wow, equals 45. 5x plus 55 equals 45. Minus 55, minus 55. Oh, I'm a little unsure. Let me get my calculator. Clear. 45 minus 55 equals, negative 10. 5x equals negative 10. Divide by 5, divide by 5. And we get x equals, wait, I'm not sure. Negative 10 divided by 2. Boop. Equals negative 5. Oh, I did the answer. I did the answer. What am I going to do? Negative 10 divided by 5 equals negative 2. Brother, negative 2 comma 5. Flip it over!
Oh my God.
You sound like one of the students. Jeez Louise. Okay, now this is the big kid versions here. So we've got nothing here that really is good. Good. All right, hold on. Thank you for telling me. There we go. I'm going to do the y's in this one. So in this one, I'm going to do 5. In this one, I'm going to do negative 2. So looking in the future, positive 10y, negative 10y. But I've got to multiply all of it, which gives me 60x plus 10y equals 5 times 20 is 100. 5 times 8 is 40. 140. Negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10x. Negative 2 times 5y is negative 10y. Perfect. That's what we wanted. The elimination. And negative 70. Now we're just combining these. Positive 60, positive 10, 70x. Positive 140, negative 70, positive 70. Divide by 70. Divide by 70, we get x equals 1. I'm going with the equation that has no negatives. 12x plus 2y equals 28. That's going right there. 12 times 1 plus 2y equals 28. 12 plus 2y equals 28. Minus 12, minus 12. 2y equals 16. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Y equals 8, which gives us the order pair 1, 8, which was right. Yay! And there was much rejoicing. Let's go to E. I'm going to just multiply, you know what, let me do it the way that you're doing it. I'm going to multiply this by 7, and I'm going to multiply this by 6. So I'm going to get positive 42x and negative 42x, and then the x's are going to disappear. So I've got 42x plus 180, y equals 108. Negative 42x plus 21y equals 7 times 2 is 14, carry the 1. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 1 is 29. Oh boy. Well, here we go. 201y. Oh, this does not feel good. Doesn't feel good. I know what you feel like out there. 8 plus 4 is 12. Oh, look at this. 0. Look at the, oh, yeah. Somebody did the math before he made the problems. All right, let's divide by 201. How many 201s are in 402? 2. Boy, it would be funny if I booted that one. That's not good. Let's use the first equation. There's a lot of positives in the first equation. 7x plus, we could do that for both if we need to. Put that right there. 7x plus 30 times 2 equals 18. 7x plus 60 equals 18. Minus 60 minus 60. 7x equals negative 42. Divide by 7, divide by 7. X equals negative 6, and that's what I had. Boom. Negative 6 comma 2. All right, now this is the one I would imagine most people are going to check because this is the one that's not a natural solution. I'm going to multiply this by 5 to get positive 15x. I'm going to multiply this by 3 to get negative 15x. So negative 15x plus 30y equals 25. 75. Thank you, Ms. Benoit. 15x minus 30y equals 5 times 70 is 350. 5 times 5 is 25. 375. Let's combine these two. There go the... Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. There goes the y's. So something interesting happens here that we often don't do. What's 5 plus 5? 10. Carry the 1. 5 plus 7, or I'm sorry, 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 5 is 15. Carry the 1. I got 450 over here. Now, a lot of us still kind of do this thing where we're like, okay, x is still left, or y is still left. But really, what's left on this side is a big fat 0. Not nothing. We need the number here, right? We need a value here. What do we know about these two? They are not equal to each other, nor will they ever be equal to each other, which means that this system of equations has no solutions. And if I extend that, I would say to you, what do those things look like on a graph? You're darn tootin' right. They look like parallel lines. They will never intersect. That's why there's no solution, Miss Benoit. All right, if you have any questions, maybe you don't ask me. I got some mistakes in this one, but of course you can ask me. Good luck!